Halimbawa po, sa lalawigan ng Batangas, meron po ang 28 munisipyo, 5 syudad. 34 local government units. Meron po kaming 12 district hospital doon. Sa Makatuwid,
Health-related po yun.
health-related to.
Yes, sir.
So, there are 12 district hospitals. Sa Makatuwid, hindi lahat ng bayan may hospital. Kailangan mong tumawid ng 3 bayan para makaabot ka sa isang hospital. Nararapat na ayusin natin, halimbawa, yung mga tulay at
Alright.
kalsada
Alright.
para yung pasyente makaabot sa hospital, lalo na po yung bundis at yung
Alright,
nasa
paliwanag
paligid
po
ng
yun.
kalagayan.
Basta
Opo.
ang kwan ko po, pinapaliwanag ko po, ay ang gamit from health primary purpose ng pera dahil special fund eh. Health purpose yan eh. Eh may batas tayo na illegal use of fund.
Opo.
Ginamit natin sa paraan na iba.
Katulad doon na bagay ko po.
And
From
one
health
thing,
to health.
ginamit sa paraan na hindi related sa health. Yun lang po ang tanong.
Sa Paranao po namin, related po sa health.
Kung hindi nga po related eh. What I'm saying is, there is here a fund balance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, this fund balance can be appropriated or used for any other purpose, whether aligned with the purpose of the PhilHealth or not.
Well, as I said, Your Honor, if it is PhilHealth that will use it, it has to use it according to its purposes in its charter. But its charter also, I would think, allow PhilHealth to remit back
Look,
that
I
fund
started with unappropriated program. Correct? So, we have several programs. Program coming from the PhilHealth, program coming from the Insurance Corporation, program from the GSIS, etc., etc., etc. Ang dami. Ngayon, kukunin natin ang pera ng PhilHealth dahil ito ay, according to you, is a fund balance. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this fund balance can now be used for any other purposes regardless whether it is aligned with the PhilHealth or not.
PhilHealth is one of the many government-owned and controlled corporations, Your Honor. Like other government-owned and controlled corporations, it has to give to the national government unrestricted retained earnings.
I will go back. I will go back. Kung minsan, kunin natin yung pondo, gagamitin natin sa pagpatayo ng building irrelevant to the purpose of PhilHealth. Parang ganun ba? Pwede yun.
Can I ask the Secretary, Your Honor, to give that?
Kung mamarapatin po ninyo para makompleto yung kwento dito, well, unang-una, katulad nung nabanggit ko kanina, inutusan tayo ng Kongreso na kung may fund balance sa PhilHealth, pwedeng gamitin para sa program. Ngayon, nag-usap kami ng mga economic managers at pinagkasunduan namin, gagamitin natin yan from health to health.
Yes. Okay.
Kung kaya't, ang unang pinaggastusan yan, katulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, yung 27 billion na utang ng ating pamahalaan sa mga frontliner. Mahigit 100 billion na ang binayaran natin sa panahon ng BBM administration. Pangalawa, Health Facilities Enhancement Program ng DOH. Dahil ang Universal Healthcare Law ay hindi lang tungkol sa PhilHealth, kung hindi yung kabuuang health ng taong bayan na pinangungunahan ng DOH. So as much as possible, ginastos natin ang pera from health to health. Isang halimbawa pa,
Opo, naintindihan ko po yun. Naintindihan ko from health to health. Opo, ang sinasagip ko po ay from health to a purpose not related to health.
Lahat po. Health
Lahat
to health.
pwede.
Lahat po health to health. Halimbawa,
wag na tayong, kasi may kulang po tayo sa oras eh. Basta health to health, meaning health ang purpose. If ever that money, fund balance will be used,
yes,
it may be for a purpose not related to health. Yun lang ang gusto kong tanungin.
Ang ginawa po natin,
Ngayon ang
health
sinabi
to
ko
health.
kanina, ginawang infrastructure.
Katulad po niyan, kung pwede ko ipaliwanag na mabuti yan. Halimbawa po, sa lalawigan ng Batangas, meron po ang 28 munisipyo, 5 syudad. 34 local government units. Meron po kami 12 district hospital doon. Sa Makatuwid,
Health-related po yun.
health-related to.
Yes, sir.
So, there are 12 district hospitals. Sa Makatuwid, hindi lahat ng bayan may hospital. Kailangan mong tumawid ng 3 bayan para makaabot ka sa isang ospital, nararapat na ayusin natin halimbawa yung mga tulay at
Alright.
kalsada
Alright.
para yung pasyente makaabot sa ospital, lalo na po yung bundis at yung
Alright,
nasa
paliwanag
peligro
po yun.
kalagayan.
Basta
Opo.
ang kwan ko po, pinapaliwanag ko po, ay ang gamit from health primary purpose ng pera dahil special fund eh. Health purpose yan eh. Eh may batas tayo na illegal use of fund.
Opo.
Ginamit natin sa paraan na iba.
Katulad doon na bagit ko po.
And
From
one
health
thing,
to health.
ginamit sa paraan na hindi related sa health. Yun lang po ang tanong.
Sa pananaw po namin, related po sa health.
Kung hindi nga po related eh. Gaya ng binigyan mo lang na bonus, bonus yung isang empleyado.
Ayun naman ay ginamit namin yung pondo ng PDIC.
Oh, yan po. Yun lang po ang tanong. Yun lang po ang gusto kong tanong. Dahil nililiwanag ko lang po
Yes.
ang distinction ng itong tinatawag na fund balance at saka sa reserve fund.
Opo.
Kasi insofar as the fund balance is concerned, that may be removed from the budget of the PhilHealth and can be used for other purposes.
Only for the year 2024.
Yes, we are talking of this. Wala po tayong ibang pinag-uusapan na kundi ito.
Opo.
Samantala, kapag ito ay reserve fund naman, ito po rin ay galing sa pondo ng PhilHealth. Yes, at meron tayong limitation
That is correct.
how to determine the reserve fund. So
That is
pwede
correct.
siguro ulit si Attorney Hermosura.
Yes. Salamat po.
Pumunta na po tayo sa reserve fund. So maliwanag po ha, doon insofar as the fund balance is concerned, we have defined what is the nature, what is the concept, and now the appropriation that may be allowed under the law. Now, we go to the reserve fund. Distinguish na natin. Ano po ang reserve fund? Pwede rin po ba ito gaya ng fund balance na paglaruan natin? Saan gagamitin?
Hindi po
Hindi
parang
po.
fund balance kasi po restricted po siya.
Yan.
Meron pong provision sa Universal Healthcare Act that says that specifies where it can be used po.
Okay? Ano ang panggagamitan ng reserve fund?
Well, normally po, it is used also to pay benefit expenses in the event that circumstances change and let's say, the current year's revenue of PhilHealth would not be enough to meet its current year's
Okay,
expenditures. Yung mga ganung
I think it was explained yesterday through the questions of Justice Kagiwa regarding this matter. My question is, that reserve fund is invested or kept, saved, etc.
yes, yung nakalagay po kasi sa Section 11 ng Universal Healthcare Act, any unused portion of the reserve fund that is not needed to meet the current expenditure obligations or support the programs of the PhilHealth shall be placed in investments
Yes.
to earn an average annual income. Something
Okay.
ganun po.
Now, yung reserve fund nagkaroon ng interest, kumita, lumaki. Pwede ba natin galawin yan? Yung
Hindi rin-
kinita, lumaki, not exactly the reserve fund, but the interest or the fruits of the reserve fund. Pwede ba natin galawin yan?
Hindi rin po under Section 11. Kasi parang nagiging part of the reserve fund din po siya. It says, Section 11 po says, no portion of the reserve fund or income thereof shall accrue to the general fund of the national government or to any of its agencies or instrumentalities including government-owned
Okay,
or controlled
maliwanag.
corporations.
Lumaki ng lumaki ang kita ng reserve fund. Hindi pa rin pwedeng gamitin.
Hindi po. Dinadagdag po dun sa reserve.
Dinadagdag.
Opo.
Hindi po ba natin pwedeng gamitin ang reserve fund para babaan yung mga premium ng mga members?
Well,
Hindi po ba natin pwedeng gamitin yung extra reserve fund para sa benepisyo ng mga membro.
Pagka po yung reserve fund, mag-exceed po siya dun sa
Yeah.
tinatawag na ceiling.
Yes.
Yun pong ceiling, yun yung sineset po ng PhilHealth Board na that is equal to the expenditure for 2 years.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
yun po.
So,
but the government may also, as the Soldian has stated, they may also initiate reduction of premiums, enhanced benefits, even without any relation to the reserve fund po.
okay. But exclusively at the disposal of the PhilHealth. And it cannot be part of the general fund so that it can be used for any other purpose related to healthcare. Tama?
Yes po,
So,
yes po.
maliwanag
Yung
na po
reserve
ang
fund.
distinction ng reserve fund at saka yung fund balance. Pwede nating laruin yung fund balance, tanggalin natin, ilagak sa ibang pondo ng gobyerno related to health purposes. Unlike reserve fund, dito ka lang.
Yes.
Kung may kitain, dito ka pa rin. Hindi pwedeng galawin. Hindi pwedeng ilagak doon sa ating general fund.
That's correct po.
That's correct. Mukhang hindi pumapayag ang mga petitioner eh. Sige.
With the permission of the court, we do not agree, Your Honor. I think this is not a novel issue because in the Mandanas, the Republic Act 10351 was mentioned, although specific on Virginia Tobacco, specifically stating that this funds from sin taxes is actually a special fund, and special fund should only be used for a specific purpose. In fact, Your Honor, if I may just clarify, 10351 has been amended by 11346 and later on by 11467. The 50%, 80% goes to PhilHealth for individual-based health services. But there is also a 20% given to DOH for Health Enhancement Facilities Program, which they are now confusing with the 80% allocation. So, yung mga hong pagkukunan katulad nung mga health emergency allowance, which we understand that it's health human resource is really a part of the universal healthcare. But these funds should not be for individual-based health services because the law is clear that 80% of the 50% should go to PhilHealth under the universal healthcare, and under the universal healthcare, PhilHealth should only be for individual-based health services.
Alright, naintindihan ko na po. Meron tayong pagkakaiba ng mga posisyon tungkol sa bagay na yan, kung ano ang panggagamitan ng special fund na natatangi sa fund balance at saka sa reserve fund. Ngayon, tumbukin ko ang pinaka-issue ng petitioner na tinatalakay natin ngayon. Yan po ay yung provision ng ating GAA, Special Provision 1D. Paki-plus nga yung 1D. Ayan po. Under Section 1D of Chapter 16 of the GAA, of 41 of the GAA, ito po ang sinasabi. Fund balance of the government-owned or controlled corporation from any remainder, actually remainder yan, remainder resulting from the review and reduction of their reserve funds. Ito na kasi ang nakalito sa ating lahat. Reduction of their reserve funds. Note, I have distinguished a fund balance from a reserve fund. But here we are talking now of a reserve funds being reduced and being disbursed for some other purposes. Of course, petitioner would say now that these reserve funds are supposedly exclusive and restricted to the PhilHealth. And yet, under the GAA, it can be reduced and it can be disbursed for other purposes. So, Attorney Hermosura, can you now explain to us what is this reduction of their reserve funds?
Actually, as I see it, this is a good governance measure, Your Honor. Because sometimes when you act for a corporation, you can be acting to set the level of the reserve fund to make sure
Yun,
that...
kasi binabanggit tayo reserve funds eh. Kasi
Opo,
kanina
opo.
dinistinguish na natin ang fund balance at saka reserve
Yes,
fund.
opo.
So when we say reserve funds, it has a particular and technical meaning.
Opo, pero hindi naman po yung amount is like set in stone. Pwede pong, kasi nag-change din po yung circumstances, pwede pong nare-reset po yung amount.
Kaya ang sinasabi ngayon ng
Opo.
petitioner, reserve fund yan na hindi pwedeng galawin. Tama po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paki-explain nga bakit.
Yes, Your Honor. As we said, Your Honor, kahit na po meron tayong, ang nireason namin is that this 1D is an insertion in the budget that which cannot be found in the NEP and the Congress and Senate versions. Nevertheless, Your Honor, even if there is a so-called basis for what they said as the siphoning back of the 60 billion, Your Honor, a GAA cannot amend a law, Your Honor, and in this case, the Universal Healthcare Law and the syntax.
Ngayon, there is now a joinder of issue. Naipaliwanag ko na sa taong bayan, ano ba ang pinag-aawayan dito? Dahil yung reserve fund na yan ay nabanggit ng GAA for 2024 lang. Samantalang, binabanggit natin ang distinction ng fund balance na different from the reserve funds. And yet, ito ngayon ang provision ng GAA. As to whether it is constitutional or not, yan po ang ating main issue. So, I will not ask any further question because I have clarified the main issue in this case. Thank you very much, Chief.